Alright, so once again guys, thank you so much for being with me dito po sa vlog na to. Thank you so much Egg Morning for inviting us. Grabe, such a generous host for this vlog. Tingnan nyo naman table natin. Ang dami nito guys. But what I like about it is kahit na marami yung mga sinerve nila sa atin is this is non-guilt food, no? Of course, if you overdose yourself with so much, talaga namang nasa sa'yo na yun. That's your problem. However, for these kinds of food, parang kahit masobrahan ka guys, it's still healthy. So, yun, let's start. I wanna introduce to you guys yung kanilang mga items. So, we have, I think, 3 sections for the food, no? We have toast, we also have salad in the middle, and then meron tayong mga sandwiches here. Now, available din sa kanila is this one. Yan, so meron silang half set. If you want a salad and a sandwich or salad and a toast, yan, whichever you prefer, actually pwede sila. Dahil nga naman, if you order here, no, if you wanna dine here, and then you ordered even one bowl of salad, sobrang dami na nito. Ayan, no, di ba? It's gonna be shareable. Now, if you're gonna go here single, yung ikaw lang mag-isa, ikaw lang mag-isa. Joke lang. You can order actually this one. Ayan. So, meron na siyang sandwich and meron na din siyang salad. Okay. We also have some refreshments. So, let's start with their salad. So, yung mga salad natin has 3 different dressings. So, you're gonna actually choose one from the 4 available dressings natin. So, let me see. What is this one? Ooh. Para siyang, what do you call it? Parang sesame something, no? Oriental? Oriental, alright. So the next one is the balsamic and balsamic dressing. And then the third one is like creamy onion. Creamy onion. And then the fourth one just came in. They call it yuzu. Medyo citrusy naman ito. The naan meat has an avocado on top. Ito naman is the teriyaki, so it's beef. And then lastly is the shrimp, which is the seafood. So I think I'm gonna go for this one, no? Ayan, okay. So the way you mix it is you choose from the, I got interested with this one. So yuzu daw to, yuzu. Okay, you pour it on top, just like that. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Just like that. Ayan, oh, whoa. Bango niya. Okay, and then you toss it. Toss. And again, let me show it to you guys. Toss it. Oh wow. Oh wow, that is so fresh. Amazingly fresh, guys. And then yung dressing natin, I think I picked the right one. It really complements, a little bit citrusy, a little bit ano din siya, a little bit sweet din actually. So, when you dine here, actually let me comment naman yung place natin. It's actually very chic, napaka-millennial. I mean, when I say millennial, yung age ng mga millennials, no, napaka-teen. It has a really, you know, Korean vibes, parang mga ganun, no? Very light then, it's not intimidating. You have, you know, I think around 6 or 7 tables, mga ganyan. It can accommodate siguro up until, you know, 20 to 25, I think so, parang mga ganun. Okay, so I've tasted a lot of mga toast before. Some really, parang they wanna overwhelm it with yung mga fillings, mga what's inside. But this one, I think they're, again, very straightforward. Sabi nila sa atin, yung taste naman dyan tayo bumabawi, guys. Oh, wow. So this one's the hot shrimp. A little spicy, siguro para sa akin, spiciness level. Around 5 to 6, parang ganun. Parang right amount lang ng sting after you chew it. In terms of taste, Actually, I like the bread. It's not dry. Hindi siya rin yung sobrang laki niya that parang almost bread na yung minumuya mo when you bite it. Now this one I think has yung parang right size lang for the bread na. Wow, I like the vibe. Parang first try ko to, ito yung uubusin ko. But then again, yeah, this is how it looks like. Ayun. Sarap nito. Now, yung egg natin, it's actually very generous. It has a lot of eggs in it. I saw some, parang may cheese din siya. Yeah, I saw cheese in it. It's actually really hot. Okay, now yung mga sandwiches natin, we have 3 variants. The first one is the hot chicken. And then another one we have, they call this chicken tender. Ayan. So yung chicken tender natin is fried. Yes. All right. And then lastly is, this is the classic egg morning.
Yes.
Oh, so I think this is how it all started. Yung pinaka-classic, natin, egg morning. So sabi ni Sir Noel, try ko daw yung mga... try ko daw to. I'm gonna try this one. Ayun. There you go. There you go. Ooh. So again, based from the appearance, what they're trying to really, make us experience is freshness of the ingredients. Napaka generous nung vegetables natin dito, no? Right, let's taste it. Oh, wow. I like it na it's a little bit crunchy yung natin, yung mga vegetables natin.
We are located in Omnistellar building. It's along the Philam Friendship Highway near in Westfields. As of now, we are processing our papers through Grab, through Foodpanda, and Let's Be. It's a Korean app for the delivery as well.
Wow. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much, Egg Morning, for inviting us. I wish you good luck on your grand opening day. So watch out guys kung kailan yung actual grand opening day natin on their fan page. So go check out the fan page. We're gonna be including in the caption below. Make sure to follow it para updated po tayo sa mga announcement nila. Alright, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Another place for you to check out, lalong-lalo na yung mga K-pop fanatic. If you're looking for this kind of place, food, go check out Egg Morning. Thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Peace.